Okay, Joey, do me a favor, okay? It's a piece of shit. Even 130, I changed my mind. 140 is too much. And I tell you what, I want to make money. Okay, I'm not here to work for free. And then certainly, I'm not here to lose money. $100,000 a door, max, 100,000 a door. Yeah, so today we are going to look at some small deals. Guys, I'm getting phone call, I'm getting messages non-stop. You guys want to buy small deals, 10 unit, 5 unit, 20 unit. Beautiful. Let's take a look. Today we're going on a tour to see what is really in the market for 10 unit. I want to know. So the first one is going to be right here in Hollywood. Let's take a look. How many units, Joy?
It's 10 units.
10 unit, asking how much?
2.3 million.
2.3. I'm going to show you guys 10 unit asking 2.3 million. How much average rent?
About $1,400.
$1,400 a month rent. Are you kidding me? So this property is overpriced by almost $1 million. What does it mean? That means if you pay $2.4 million, you're in the red. Okay? That's what it means. My job to make sure you're not in the red. My job to make sure you're not losing money. So yeah, I mean, it's for sale, beautiful. We're gonna make an offer. Let's take a look. What's the average rent?
$1,400.
So $1,400, that means, what is it, 2 or 3?
You got a mix of one.
I already know what it is.
Nope,
Okay.
it's all one.
It's all one.
All ones, but one of them is.
Okay, number one, okay, you never buy a property with one bedroom only. Never. The upside is that much low. Don't buy 1 bedrooms, okay? But if you really want to do it, you want to buy it, that's okay. So we can do it. Listen, everything has a price, okay? You may not get it. So $1,400 a month rent, it should go for 140. It's 1 bedroom. 130, 140 door, max, 140 door. How many, 10 unit? 1.4 million, asking 2 point, how much?
Asking 2.3.
2.3, it's 900, it's exactly $900,000 above the
1%.
1% rule, about the value. What does it mean? Seller tells you, what is the pro forma? $2,000 a month?
They're saying about $1,800 for all the ones. Yeah.
$1,800, they're gonna go up from 14 to 18, okay? And even if I did, let's say I did 14 to 18, maybe right now it's worth a 1819. Why am I paying the seller to work for free? Why am I paying the seller, me, adding value to the property? I'm not, because I'm not doing it, okay? So if you tell me that they're going up to, can go to $1,800, my exit price is just around $2 million. So you can imagine, we're not paying for a $2.4 million, we're not paying for a $2 million. That's my exit price. This property should go for mostly more, maybe 1.4, 1.5. 1.5 is really pushing it. Remember, it's all 1 bedroom. Now, why do we care about it? Why do I care 1 bedroom studios? Number one, you don't want to have the same mix for the whole property. You want to have mixed. Number two, my main concern is if I'm in a cash crisis, liquidity crisis, I want to sell it, it's going to be that much more difficult to get rid of it because it's all 1 bedroom. Most investors, they want to see a good mix of 1 and 2. Okay, now we're gonna go look at that the property, and we already know it's overpriced by $900,000. It is what it is. So why am I going? I want to see what's out there. Joey, what is the upside? The broker said what price negotiable?
He said that with current rents 25%.
By the way, we're here with Joey Lezo.
Joey Laser in the house.
Yes, sir.
There's significant upside potential. That's what they're telling me. Bringing rents to market rates would push NOI above $166,000, achieving a 7% cap.
Right. So right away, we know numbers are wrong. The income is it's okay. The income is okay, but it does not worth $2.4 million. 2.3, 2.4.
2.3.
Doesn't matter.
230 a door. Yeah.
230 though, no way. Okay, Joey, do me a favor, okay? It's a piece of shit. Even 130, I changed my mind. 140 is too much. And I tell you what, I want to make money. Okay, I'm not here to work for free. And then certainly, I'm not here to lose money. $100,000 a door, max, 100,000 a door, $1 million. This property is overpriced by $1.4 million. Even at $1 million, I can potentially do some paint job, put some landscaping, maybe I'll get for it 1.5, maybe. Sellers are out of their mind, never gonna get it. Get out of here, get me out of here, okay? We are going out to look at another property.
Hold on, let me
That was a waste of time, by the way. Thank you very much. Over here we have 8 units, actually 9 units. Forgive me. I like it. It's very nice. You can tell there is a definitely some work done. It looks very clean. Here's the problem. Average rent is $1,700, 1 bedroom. Where am I going from here? $1,700, 1 bedroom, 0 amenities, no security. Where am I going from? Very small unit too, by the way, for that matter, okay? I would say $1.5 million, 1.7, maybe 1.8, maybe. Very clean property, however, mostly 1 bedroom. What do I do with that? So rent $1,700. Cheap, can I charge $3,000? Of course not. $3,000 they're gonna go to the beach. A perfect example, you buy high. We don't buy high. Let's go next one. We're going to look at another property which is also a small, again, we want to know, okay, can we make money on a small property? So far we saw 2 different properties. One of them needed a lot of work and they're asking double the amount it's supposed to go for. 70% more asking than the market should really give. Another one we saw, value has already been added and they're asking price is a little bit high, but it's not for us. You can make money with that. It's not, the value has already been taken into the place because seller renovated the property. There's no meat in the bone. We only gonna buy meat in the bone situation. Otherwise, we didn't do anything. So the next one is how many units?
13 units.
13 units. Asking how much?
2.25.
2.5. What's the average rent?
2.25. Average rent, $1,385.
$1,385. How much below they asking?
172,000.
Okay, again, too much. This will go for $138. Okay, so what's $138 times how many units?
13.
Times 13 is how much?
That's 1.6, 1.7.
And how much they're asking?
They're asking 2.25. So
500,000.
600,000.
$500,000 to $600,000 above market value.
500,000.
Now, what does it mean? Does that mean you can't buy anything? No, that means you have to be patient, okay, or look at bigger deal and potentially get a partner involved, which we're going to talk about it too. But I don't want to buy. I'd rather put the money in CDs. Go buy yourself a nice car, okay? You're not going to lose as much as if you overpay for property.
And also, people should be doing what you're doing right now, driving them, seeing them for yourself.
You have to see. Of course.
You got to see hundreds of these before you make a deal.
Listen, we are not going to lose money. We're not buying because we are anxious to buy. We have money in our pocket. No, you put the money in CD. You wait your signal. Dwayne Wade, Miami Heat, great player. Okay, you wait for the ball to come to him. That's how I start winning. I start to have winning games. I waited for my ball to come to me. So we always want to learn from someone smarter than us. Now let's take a look at this property, and I already know it's overpriced, but why am I going? I'm going to show the audience why do I think it's overpriced. As you can see, the new construction, those most likely are apartments, and the problem with new construction, it's very difficult when it comes to getting the rent. Why? Because your construction cost is very expensive. So 1 bedroom over here, you can imagine, they're gonna charge at least to be in the money, at least $2,700 a month, $2,800 1 bedroom. Development takes a very long time. We don't have this kind of time. I'm a greedy son of the beach. I want to be out within 2 years. Okay, here we have another 13 units, okay, asking 2.2 million. Average rent $1,300. Boy, oh boy. I mean, those sellers are out of their mind. What are they thinking? Okay? Flat roof, okay? 0 amenity, very small unit. I know it, okay? Very small. I used to own them. And $138 max, $125, $138 with the idea to make a couple $100,000. That's it. You can make money at 2.2. I'm asking Joey.
2.25.
2.35. This should be 1.6. Asking, but $500,000 to $600,000 more than asking, more than value. Folks, you pay for it full price, you're losing money. Guarantee you're losing money. So this property no more than 1.5, 1.6 million dollars. At least $500,000 to $600,000 below asking price. With the idea that you can make about $200,000 to $300,000 potentially if you raise the rent. But again, zero amenity, nothing to offer. So is it a bad deal? Absolutely not. It could be a good deal. You gotta buy it right. If you don't buy it right, don't buy it. Keep your money in your pocket. Wrap it up, we saw some properties, 10 unit average, we saw three different communities, and unfortunately, every single one of them was overpriced. And I'm not here to say to you that, does that mean you can't buy anything? No, I did not say that, but you gotta do your homework, and I don't want you to overpay. You have my Instagram page, you have my messaging. Message me a deal, okay? I will underwrite for you. I'm charging you zero money. I don't want your money. I feel like I won't pay it forward, and I want to make sure you're not overpaying. Repeat, I don't want you to overpay. Those small deals can be beautiful if you buy it right, but you got to buy it right. If you don't buy it right, I'd rather you hold on to your money.